Hello YouTube friends, I'm on my phone, and what you see in here is a starter. I got this off side road. Nice, ain't it? 16 horse, twin 2 bridge and Stratton engine, Murray riding lawnmower, industrial commercial engine, and that's a good size engine. Here's the problem. You see that broken magnet right inside there? Yep. It's not gonna run. Not cranking wise. And here you see the little thing I made to hold the brushes back. And that's what you do to get it back together. You set it off in there like this. Let me get it just right. There we go. Then you bring this thing back up through it. And what you do is when this right here hits this, it should put the brushes back in the place where they're supposed to be at on this aperture. See? But the starter is already messed up because when the magnets came loose, it screwed up the starter. So all that is screwed. I'm probably gonna have to order one on the internet. I know I'm gonna have to get another starter. When the damn thing wouldn't turn over, but I know y'all gonna ask this question, the engine might be froze up. No. There's a compression stroke. It's got compression. And I could feel the compression by hand. I know some of y'all gonna ask that question, but the guy told me I can have it. He was out there. He said you can have it. The only thing I had a problem with was the carburetor. Well, he told me the carburetor had to be replaced. No, the carburetor did not have to be replaced. The only thing that was wrong with the carburetor, it had water all in it, and it was pretty well gunked up because I cleaned it out. Some people think, yeah, it's carburetor and all that, and won't crank, and starter wouldn't turn over. So it got me thinking it's neither one of the problems he said it was. So what I think it is, the starter is bound up. I cleaned the carburetor out. It had gunk all in it, and it should crank. I got to put everything back together on it. Should have no problem cranking. Well, this is some of the things you can find on the side of the road. Well, as I was saying, it shouldn't be no problem fixing this thing. And usually when someone says, oh, it's the carburetor, it ain't gonna work, it's not the carburetor. You had to clean the carburetor out, but it's not the carburetor. The only reason the carburetor would be clogged up is because someone set it out there in the elements. It didn't have no breather on it, so that could cause it. I'm probably gonna have to find a breather housing. And I could put it back together. Just like I said, like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, and thanks for watching.